Hello students, I welcome you to Quantitative Aptitude series. This is chapter 5 and today we are going to discuss more problems on logarithm. As you know, in the last chapter, chapter 4, we discussed the concept of logarithm. We understood what exactly is logarithm. We talked about the basic definition of logarithm. Then we discussed the properties of logarithm. We actually proved each and every properties of logarithm, and then we discussed few problems on logarithm. We also understood the concept of characteristics and mantissa, and using that concepts we were able to predict the number of digits in any number of in any exponents we were given with certain log values. As you know, this quantitative aptitude series is based on the idea that this series would help you develop the problem solving skills, which is the basic requirement in today's world, in professional, personal, and anywhere. So in first 4 chapters, what exactly we did? In first chapter we did some problems based on the concept of proportionality. In chapter 2 we discussed how to find the number of factors. We talked about the basic fundamentals of counting, that when to add, when to multiply, what is the principle of counting. And in third, we chapter 3 we discussed how to find the sum of the factors. And for developing the model for finding the sum of factors, we talked about some important progressions like arithmetic progression, harmonic progression, and geometric progression. Though we talked very briefly about them, at the same time we developed the concept that how to add geometric progression. And now this chapter 5 will be discussing more problems on logarithm. I have picked 10-11 questions for this. So I will be discussing these questions, and I'm sure these questions, whatever questions we discuss on the video, that becomes a part of the assignment. So those questions should be attempted by you again with a detailed step-by-step elaborate explanation. So whatever the questions which I am going to discuss in this video, that is your assignment. So I would like to see all the questions which I am I'm solving for you here, or let's say I'm discussing for you, that needs to be sent to us within a day or two to your respective mentors or counselors. At the same time, if you face any problem in anywhere, you are free to contact me or your mentor or any other mathematics teacher of Infinity Vision. We would be happy to help you people. Many of you are calling and help and getting all the help. Those who are still not calling for the help, they should pick up their phone and start calling their mentors, their mathematics teachers. You can call me also. You can call your counselor, get the appointment, and you can also do video conferencing with your teacher. Okay, now what is the problem for the day? Let's look into it. The first problem which I have given you, it's like an easy problem, that solve for x log 10 x square is equal to 4. Now many students, what they do little mistake. Let me show you one solution in which it appears that everything is fine, but that is not a complete solution. That becomes an incomplete solution. As you all know, when you have something like uh, log a b to the power m, you know how to handle. The property which you use is m log ab. So many students, while solving these type of problems like log base 10 x square equals 4, they apply that property, that okay, log 10 x square can be written as 2 log base 10x. So what they do, they apply this property here and they start solving it. Then they get, okay, log base 10x would be equal to 2. So they say, okay sir, x would be 10 square, that is 100. But this solution is incomplete solution because this is not the complete answer. What mistake you did, that here the x was in a power 2, you simplified into a linear way in which you lost one of the answer of x. Let's see what exactly you lost. So this was a wrong solution which I did right now. So what we have to do, the correct solution. So if you look into that, see whatever you see, log 10 kachra, and you see that is equivalent to 4. So what you can say, that kachra is 10 to the power 4. This is how you have to go for this question. So when I say log base 10x square is 4, which means x square is 10 to the power 4, which means x is going to be a quadratic, so you can say plus minus 10 to the power 2. तो यहाँ पे हमने x to the power minus 100 को रिजेक्ट कर दिया था फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन में, लेकिन यहाँ पे ये एक्सेप्टेड है. व्हाई इट इज एक्सेप्टेड? आपको पता है कि भैया log 10x जो भी x होगा वो एक नेगेटिव नंबर नहीं होगा, लेकिन यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर है, तो अगर आप log 10x के बदले माइनस 100 भी लिखते हो तो इट इज वेरी मच अ पार्ट ऑफ, it is not abusing your logarithm definition, so it should be, so two answers are accepted in this type of setup because x is having a power 2. So if anybody asks you what is the answer, it's going to be 10 to the power 2 minus 10 to the power 2. Don't settle with only 10 to the power 2. That would be an incomplete solution, and in some setup you would be getting 0 marks or negative marks also. Let's go to the next question. Now if you look at this question, this is like 1 upon log base a abc, then 1 upon log base b abc, and then 1 upon log base c abc, and then they are saying that abc are positive numbers and they are greater than 1. So here what I would suggest to you, that as you can see जिसका भी आप log निकाल रहे हो, that is like the same thing abc. अगर आपको चेंज ऑफ बेस याद होगा तो आप इसको क्या लिखते थे, log, अगर आपको बेस चेंज करना था तो आप लिख सकते थे log mb अपॉन log ma. सिमिलरली log ab को आप 1 अपॉन log ab भी लिखते हो, log bl भी लिखते हो. जब अगर आप बेस b को चेंज करोगे, आप अगर आप m के बदले b ले लोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, log bb अपॉन log ba. So you can say log base ab is equivalent to 1 upon log base ba. So when you say see something like log a abc, this can easily be written as log base abc a, log base abc a. So what you can do is that 1 upon log base a abc can be written as log base abc a. 1 upon log base b abc can be written as log base abc b, and then 1 upon log base log base c abc can be written as log abc c. So what you did, you made the base of all the three logs same. Now when you add these three expressions, what you got log abc a plus log abc b plus log abc c. Now when you know that if the base is same and you are adding logs, then that becomes a product. आपको property 1 याद होगा, so that will become log a base abc into abc. अब मैं abc पे कितना पावर दूं कि abc आ जाए, so you are going to say 1, so the answer is going to be 1. So this was an easy problem, it's not a difficult problem. What you need is just a little nice eye to see the pattern, and once you decoded the pattern, it would become an easy problem. I am bringing more questions of log just to remove those fear which I generally find students get little afraid of log. They don't feel very comfortable when it comes to log. That is why I have brought this more questions, so that you become confident in this logarithm chapter, because it is going to be a very important part of your mathematical life. Now if you see here, it is saying a equals log base 2 3 and b equals log base 3 7, and then you have to express log base 42 56 in terms of ab. So now if you have to express that, let's begin what we have. We have log base 42 56. So what I can do is that I can begin with the base 2. So I will change the common base. So I'll apply the common base property. I'll make 2 as the common base. So it would be something like log base 2 42. Now if you look into that, that can easily be written as 56 can be written as 2 cube into 7, and 42 can be written as 2 into 3 into 7 if you know how to factorize. Okay, now you know log of a product is a sum of logs, so what you can do is log base 2 cube plus log base 2 7 upon log base 2 plus log base 3 plus log base 7, right? So what you got? You got something like this is going to be 3 plus log base 7 upon 1 plus log base 3 plus log base 7. So I know log base 3, आपको अगर पता हो, this log base 3, if you look here, this is actually equivalent to a. So what I can write is 3 plus log base 7 upon 1 plus a plus log base 7. Now the question is how to write log base 7 in terms of ab. What you focus here is b is log base 7. So let's focus that log base 7 अगर I'll just take the red color. तो अगर मान लीजिए log base 7 है हमारे पास और मुझे इसको base 3 में बदलना है, तो I can say log base 7 upon log base 2, right? At the same time 1 upon log base 2 can be written as log base 7 into log base 3, right? And what is log base 3? That is a. And what is log base 7? So I can write this is going to be ab. So log base 7 can be written as ab. So this whole answer would become 3 plus ab upon 1 plus a plus ab. So this is how you can represent log base 42 56 in terms of log base 3 as a and log base 7 as b. That can be written as 3 plus ab upon 1 plus a plus ab. I hope आपको ये सवाल समझ में आ गया है. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now if you look into this problem, it looks very complicated in the beginning. You see x into y to the power p minus a equals a, x to the power y, x into y to the power q minus 1 equals b, and x into y to the power r minus 1 equals c. You have to prove that q minus r into log a plus r minus p into log b plus p minus q into log c equals 0. Now the problem looks a little very messy, that oh god, in the left hand side I have got 3 equations. These are exponential equations, and at the same time it has so many variables. At the same time we have to prove that into log. So जब आप इस प्रॉब्लम को फोकस करते हो, तो इस प्रॉब्लम को जब आप गौर से देखते हो, when you look into the problem, तो प्रॉब्लम में ही आंसर छुपा होता है. आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो log a, log b, log c, और यहाँ पे देख रहे हो a, b, c. तो क्रिप्टिक लैंग्वेज में ऑलरेडी जो सवाल का भाषा है वो आपको मजबूर कर रहा है क्या करने को, लॉग लेने को. So what you are going to write is x into y to the power p minus a equals a. Now since on the left hand side you have an exponent, it means it's a positive quantity, so you are comfortably, you can take log. So you can say log of x into y to the power p minus 1 is equal to log a. तो अगर मैं इसको ओपन अप करके लिखूं तो it would be something like log x plus p minus 1 into log y equals log a. Now अगर आप गौर से देखोगे तो सेकेंड और थर्ड एक्सपोनेंट भी सेम सिमेट्री से है, तो आप इसको भी लिख सकते हो. सेकेंड वन वुड बी log x plus q minus 1 into log y equals log b. And in the same fashion I can write log x plus r minus 1 log y equals log c, right? अब आपको क्या करना है, अब जो क्वेश्चन में जो कर रहा है वही आपको करना है. अब आप देखो ये सब को मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा नीचे स्पेस आउट कर देता हूं ताकि आपको नीचे लिखने में आसानी हो. देखो मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, I'll just take the यहाँ पे क्या है, log a के साथ क्या है, q माइनस आर. तो what I can do is I can multiply q माइनस आर बोथ साइड. तो अगर मैं q माइनस आर बोथ साइड मल्टीप्लाई करूं तो ये बन जाएगा q माइनस आर इंटू लॉग एक्स प्लस q माइनस आर इंटू p माइनस वन इंटू लॉग y is equal to q minus r into log a, if you focus here, right? So this is what you got as q minus r log a just by multiplying with q minus r. Same way log b के आगे क्या है, r minus p, so you can say r minus p into log x plus r minus p into q minus 1 log y is equal to, what do you say, r minus p into log b. So this is the second one. This is what you got, the second one. Now look into the third. Third one आपको पता चल चुका है, p minus q into log x plus p minus q into r minus 1 into log y is equal to p minus q into log c. So this is the three guys. Now अब मैं इसके सारे राइट हैंड साइड को ऐड कर दूंगा. ये जो ब्लैक वाले हैं इसके तीनों इक्वेशंस के राइट हैंड साइड ऐड हो गए. नाउ फोकस हियर ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड. आई विल जस्ट टेक द डिफरेंट कलर. लेट्स फोकस. आई विल टेक ऑरेंज. इफ यू लुक हियर, q माइनस आर लॉग एक्स, r माइनस p लॉग एक्स एंड p माइनस q लॉग एक्स. अगर आप इसके कॉमन लॉग एक्स देखोगे तो q माइनस आर प्लस r माइनस p प्लस p माइनस q होगा. ये सब एडिशन हो जाएगा, अलजेब्रिकली एडिशन में आ जाएगा. तो q और q कैंसिल आउट कर देगा, r और r कैंसिल आउट कर देगा, p और p कैंसिल आउट कर देगा. दैट विल बिकम 0 into log x. So log x would vanish the moment I add them. So this first term evaporates, right? फिर से देखो, यहाँ पे q माइनस r है, यहाँ पे r माइनस p है, यहाँ पे p माइनस q है. सबके साथ log x है, log x कॉमन लो. q माइनस r प्लस r माइनस p प्लस p माइनस q. तो q माइनस q से कैंसिल हो गया, r माइनस r से कैंसिल हो गया, p माइनस p से कैंसिल हो गया. वेरी सिमेट्रिकल. Now what you got here, I'll just take the different color so that you don't get confused. Let's take green. So you see q minus r into p minus 1, r minus p into q minus 1 into r minus 1 into p minus q. Now if you focus, एक है p के साथ और दूसरा है माइनस के साथ. तो आप ये कह सकते हो कि p into q minus r plus q into r minus p plus r into p minus q. ये मैंने सबके p q और r से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. अब माइनस वन को मैंने बाहर रख दिया और माइनस वन से देखो क्या आ रहा है, q माइनस r प्लस r माइनस p प्लस p माइनस q. तो देखो माइनस वन कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, तो माइनस वन ये टोटल गायब हो गया. अब आपके पास बचा ये भी आप गौर से देखोगे तो ये क्या हो गया, पी क्यू माइनस पी आर, क्यू आर माइनस क्यू पी, आर पी माइनस आर क्यू. So PQ and minus QP cancels, PR and RP cancels, QR and RQ cancels. So it also evaporates. So you can say, okay, Q minus R into log A plus R minus P into log B plus P minus Q into log C equals 0. This was an easy question. It was just an instructive question. और अगर आप गौर से देखेंगे तो कैलकुलेशन भी ज्यादा नहीं था, थोड़ा सा टाइम लगा, but it's an easy question. You just need little patience while solving this question. Now here you look. You have log base an as x and log base cn as y, where n is not equal to 1, which means they are not that's x and y are not 0, what they want to say. Prove that x minus y upon x plus y equals log base. So I'll just start with left hand side. I'll just begin with left hand side. You have x minus y upon x plus y, and x is log base an minus log base cn upon log base an plus log base cn. What do you see in the right hand side? They want you to have in log base b. So I can do the change in base story. So I'll say log base bn upon log base ba minus log base bn upon log base bc upon log base bn upon log base ba plus log base bn upon log base bc. अब आप देख रहे होंगे कि ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में क्या आ गया, न्यूमरेटर में log base bn कॉमन है और नीचे आ गया 1 अपॉन log base ba माइनस 1 अपॉन log base bc, और यहां पे डिनोमिनेटर में आ गया log base bn अगेन कॉमन एंड देन 1 अपॉन log base ba प्लस 1 अपॉन log base bc. नाउ यू सी आपके न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर के जो कॉमन है दैट इज इक्वल, सो दैट विल गेट कैंसल्ड आउट. So what you got is log base BC minus log base BA upon log base BA into log base BC. ये न्यूमरेटर है आपका. डिनोमिनेटर देखो log base BC plus log base BA और डिनोमिनेटर में क्या आ जाएगा log base BA into log base BC. अब क्या होगा, ये और ये कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. This is what you got and this is what is your right hand side. So it is also just a question where you just need to apply the property very coolly. Coming to the next problem. Now you have log base x8 plus log base 8x equals 13 by 6. So it's a simple equation story. So if I try to write, let's say I'll take log base 8x as y, then log base x8 would be 1 by y. That's a very easy supposition. So I can say 1 by y plus y equals 13 by 6. So if you see y square plus 1 by y is equal to 13 by 6. अगर मैं क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दूं तो 6y square plus 6 equals 13y, which means 6y square minus 13y plus 6 equals 0. Now बहुत सारे बच्चे को क्वाड्रेटिक सॉल्व करना आता है, बहुत सारे बच्चे को क्वाड्रेटिक नहीं आता, लेकिन आप लोगों को फैक्टराइज करना तो आता है. तो मैं 6y स्क्वायर है तो 6 6 36 होता है. आपको पता है ये 6 है ये 6 है, इसका प्रोडक्ट क्या होता है 36. तो 13 को इस तरीके से ब्रेक करें क्योंकि उसका प्रोडक्ट 36 होता है. 9 और 4 इज 36. सो आई कैन से 6y स्क्वायर माइनस 9y minus 4y plus 6 equals 0. So I'll just take 3y common. So it will become 2y minus 3. And then I'll take 2 common. 2y minus 3 equals 0. So if you look, it is 3y minus 2 equals 0 or 2y minus 3 equals 0. Which means y would be 2 by 3 or 3 by 2. Y would be 2 by 3 or 3 by 2. This does not finish your solution because y is not the person which you are supposed to find. It's x which you are supposed to find. So I'll just take a different color so that you don't get confused. So now you can say log, since you know y is log 8x, so you can say log base 8x is 2 by 3 or log base 8x is equal to 3 by 2. इसका मतलब क्या होता है, इसका मतलब होता है x इज इक्वल टू 8 टू द पावर 2 बाई 3 और इसका मतलब क्या होता है x इज इक्वल टू 8 टू द पावर 3 बाई 2. अगर मैं x इज इक्वल टू 8 टू द पावर 2 बाई 3 को करूं तो क्या हो जाएगा 2 क्यूब इंटू 2 बाई 3, दैट मेक्स इट 4. सो वन सॉल्यूशन इज x इज इक्वल टू 4. What about the other solution 8 to the power 3 by 2? So this I can say this is square root of 8 cube. This is square root of 8 क्यूब क्योंकि हाफ अंदर चला जाएगा स्क्वायर रूट बन जाएगा. सो व्हाट यू सी स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 512 विच इज 256 इंटू 2, दैट इज 16 स्क्वायर इंटू 2. तो रूट 512 क्या हो जाएगा, रूट 512 हो जाएगा 16 रूट 2. सो द अदर वैल्यू इज 16 रूट 2. सो व्हाट विल बी द सॉल्यूशन, x वुड बी इक्वल टू 4 और 16 रूट 2. सो दिस इज हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट. आई एम श्योर आपको you are getting the hang of log problems. Now if you look into the problem, log base x is to log base y is to log z, sorry, log x is to log y is to log z equals 1 is to 2 is to minus 1. Since base is not given, so you are going to take it as base 10, and then you have given that the product of x, y, z is 100. You have to find x. So let's assume, as they have said, log x, log y and log z equals 1 is to 2 is to minus 1. So I'm going to assume log x as k, log y as 2k, and log z as minus k, right? अब क्या हो गया? This is how you are going to assume. Now if I say log x plus log y plus log z equals k into 2k into minus k, right? This is how you are going to, sorry, I just added. So you got log x as k, so I'll just write as k, log y as 2k, and then plus minus k. So you know this is log, sum of logs is log of product, so it is going to be log xyz equals 2k. So you can say xyz is going to be 10 to the power 2k, and xyz actually equals 100. So what you can see is like 10 to the power 2k equals 10 to the power 2, that means 2k equals 2, that means k equals 1. So if k is 1, which means log x is 1, log y is 2, and log z is minus 1, which means x is 10, y is 100, and z is 10 to the power minus 1. So that is why you see the product is 100. Okay, I hope you got it. Now going to the next problem, you see A, B, C, D, all four are positive number. You have to show that log base A upon B into log into C upon D is equal to log of A by C into log of B by D plus log of A by D into log of C by B, where logarithms are all of the same base. Okay, so you can take any 10 can be taken, or you can remember log is means base is 10, right? Now let's work on left hand side first. So I'll just work on left hand side. Left hand side would look like log a minus log b into log c minus log d. I hope आपको समझ में आ गया. मैंने log of a quotient is the difference of the logs. So this is going to be, अगर आप cross multiply करेंगे, so this is going to be log a into log c, then minus log a into log d, then minus log b into log c plus log b into log d. So this is my left hand side. So we'll assume this as our left hand side. I'll just use the black color for right hand side. Now what we have got in right hand side? We have got in right hand side log a by c can be written as log a minus log c, and log b by d can be written as log b minus log d, and then second term is log a by d, that is log a minus log d, and log c by b can be written as log c minus log b. Now if you focus, log a goes with log b, so that becomes log a log b minus log a log d minus log c log b प्लस log c log d. ये आपका हो गया पहले टर्म का जो टोटल 4 टर्म्स निकल के आए. अगर ऊपर सेकंड वाले को देखेंगे तो दैट विल बिकम log a log c माइनस log a log b माइनस log d log c प्लस log d log b. अब देखिए, ध्यान से देखिए, आपके पास यहाँ पे है, आई जस्ट यूज ग्रीन कलर, आपके पास यहाँ पे log a log b है, यहाँ पे माइनस log a log b है, सो दिस गेट्स कैंसल्ड. ओके, अब आप गौर से देखिए, log a log d का पार्टनर कोई नहीं है, सो log a log d इज सेफ. यहाँ भी log a log d, यहाँ भी log a log d, दैट्स ओके. यहाँ log b log c है, यहाँ भी log b log c है, so that would be not a problem. Now this was log c into log d, and then you have log c, so this and this gets cancelled. Then you have log a log c, you have got log a log c, and then you have log d log b, and then you have log d log b. So what I can say, in right hand side I have already got log a log c minus log a log d minus log b log c plus log b log d. So you can see that your left hand side and right hand side are turning out to be the same thing, so you can say they are equal, and hence this is proved. So it was just a lengthy question or nothing more than that. Just 3 more questions and we'll be done for the day. Now if you see, A is given log base 916, express log base 624 in terms of A. Now if you see, you have log base 6 root 24, and if you see A is basically log base 916. अगर आप A को formulate करोगे तो log 924, so you can say A by 4 is log base 92. So this is one of the finding you have, that log base 9 of 2 is going to be A by 4. Now let's work on log 6 root 24. Now you know root 24 is log base 6 24 to the power half. So power comes out. So this becomes half of log base 6 24. Now you know 24 can be factorized as 1 by 2 log base 6 2 cube into 3, right? Now if you see, I can write this as half log C2 cube plus half log 6 3, right? That becomes an easy problem now. Now I can write half as 3 log base 6 2 because cube bahar chala jayega, and then this becomes log 6 at 3 can be written as 6 by 2, right? Now half remains out. This becomes 3 log base 6 2 plus log base 6 6 minus log base 6 2. If you focus here, so what you got, half of 3 log, so this becomes log base 6 2 plus 1. Now the idea is to get your answer in A, you have log base 6 2. Now let's see how we are going to play with log base 6 2. Now you know log base 6 2 can be written as log base 9 2 by log base 9 6, right? And log base 9 2 is already A by 4, and log base 9 6 can be written as log base 9 3 plus log base 9 2. Now log base 9 पे मैं कितना पावर दूंगी 3 आ जाए, that is half, and log base 9 2 is already A by 4. So this story can be written as A by 4 upon half plus A by 4. So if I multiply numerator and numerator both with 4, I'll get A is equal to 2 plus 2A. Sorry, 2 plus A. A by 4 into 4 is A, and half into 4 is 2, and A by 4. So this is what you will get as A by 2 plus A. So log base 6 2 can be written as A by 2 plus A. So your answer would something look like 2A by 2 plus A plus 1. So it would look like something like 2A plus 2 plus A upon 4 plus 2A, which will be 3A plus 2 is equal to 2A plus upon 2A plus 4. This is how you are going to write log base 6 root 24 as 3A plus 2 by 2A plus 4. I hope कोई calculation mistake ना हो. I am sure आप देख लेंगे, आपको इतने, you have got the eye to look now. You understood the concept, right? Just two questions and we'll be done. It looks a little difficult, but it's little big and little complicated, but trust me, it's an easy problem. They have given x, they have given y, they have given z. You have to prove that this is equivalent to log a by 2. This is, आपको 3 चीजें प्रूफ करनी है और चौथी चीज की वैल्यू निकालनी है, कंसिडरिंग दिस एज योर बेस a as 10. अगर आप गौर से देखोगे 5x जो पहला है, सॉरी मैं पहला इक्वेशन आपको प्रूफ करूंगा, दिस वन, 3x प्लस 4y माइनस 2z. मैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से काम करता हूं, विल वर्क ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड. अब लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से मैं पहले काम कर रहा हूं, इक्वेशन 1 को मैंने पहले कवर किया, इक्वेशन 1, ठीक है. 3x प्लस 4y माइनस 2z. अब 3x को मैं लिखूंगा 3 लॉग बेस a 9 by 8 प्लस 4 log base a 16 by 15 माइनस 2 into log base a 24 by 25. अगर मैं गौर से देखूं, आपको पता है कि log के जो कोफिशिएंट्स बाहर होते हैं वो पावर होते हैं, तो मैं इसको लिख सकता हूं log बेस a 9 क्यूब बाई 8 क्यूब। इसको लिख सकता हूं log बेस a 16 टू द पावर 4 15 टू द पावर 4, और मैं इसको लिख सकता हूं माइनस log a 24 स्क्वायर 25 स्क्वायर। तो आप जैसा कि देख रहे हैं कि दो लॉग ऐड हो रहे हैं, एक सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं, मतलब ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं होंगे अगर मैं कॉमन लो, और ये डिवाइड होंगे। तो मैं सबको ऐसे लिख सकता हूं log बेस a 9 क्यूब अपॉन 8 क्यूब इंटू 16 टू द पावर 4 बाई 15 टू द पावर 4 इंटू, सिंस यहाँ पे माइनस है तो आप इसको कहोगे 25 स्क्वायर अपॉन 24 स्क्वायर। Now this looks complicated, but if you focus on prime factorization, this become a very easy problem, which a class 8 student can handle. Now 9 cube can be written as 3 to the power 6 because 3 square is 9. 16 is 2 to the power 4 and 6 to the power 4 can be written as 2 to the power 16. I hope आपको इतना exponents आता है. And 25 can be written as 5 square, so that will become 5 to the power 4. 8 can be written as 2 cube by 3, that will be 2 to the power 9. This can be written as 3 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4. And 24 is 2 cube into 3, that is 8 into 3. 2 cube का square क्या होगा? 2 to the power 6. And 3 का square क्या होगा? 3 square. Now if you look here, 5 to the power 4 and 5 to the power 4 gets cancelled. 3 to the power 4, 3 square, that makes it 3 to the power 6 cancelled. Now 9 and 6 is 15, so 2 to the power 9 plus 6 cancels out, you are just left with 2. So log base a2, that is your right hand side. So this is how you are going to solve. I'm sure आप समझ रहे होगे, तो बार बार मुझे इतना log लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. I'll just prove it for the equation 2 also. Equation 2 में आपको जैसा कि देख रहे हैं 5x है, तो आप कह सकते हैं log base a 9 to the power 5 upon 8 to the power 5 into 6y है तो 16 to the power 6 upon 15 to the power 6 and minus 3 है तो 25 ऊपर चला जाएगा, 25 to the power 3 upon 24 to the power 3. अब इसको जल्दी से देख लेते हैं. log base a, now this will become 3 to the power 10, this will become 2 to the power 15, this becomes 2 to the power 24, this becomes 3 to the power 6, this becomes 5 to the power 6, this becomes 5 to the power 6, this becomes 2 to the power 9 because 24 is 2 cube into 3, and this becomes 3 to the power 3. Okay, I hope इतना दिक्कत आपको नहीं आ रहा होगा. अब आप देखते हैं जल्दी से, 5 to the power 6, 5 to the power 6 gets cancelled, 3 6 9, तो यहाँ से ये cancel, 15, so ये cancel, you are just left with log base 3. So this is how you are going to it. Similarly आप इसको कर लोगे. जल्दी से मैं लास्ट पार्ट कर देता हूँ ताकि आपको आंसर्स पता चल जाए, जो क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है वो पता चल जाए. तीसरा आई एम श्योर आप कर लोगे. यहाँ पे क्या है देखिए, log बेस 10 हो गया है, a की वैल्यू 10 हो गई है, और 9 to the power 20 अपॉन 8 to the power 20 है 20x into 26, 16 to the power 26 upon 15 to the power 26, and minus means that will going to be 25 by 14, 24 by 25 का रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा 25 by 24, और पावर क्या है 14 जाएगा. अब देखिए क्या करूंगा मैं, अब मैं प्राइम फैक्टराइज करूंगा. सो दिस विल बिकम 3 to the power 40, दिस विल बिकम 2 to the power 104, दिस विल बिकम 5 to the power 28. आई होप इतना आपको एक्सपोनेंट्स आता है. This will become 2 to the power 60, this will become 3 to the power 26, this will become 5 to the power 26, this becomes 2 to the power 42 and 3 to the power 14. I hope इतना आपको आता है हैंडल करना. Now, if you focus here, 5 to the power 26 will cancel out and it will become 5 square. 26 plus 14 is 40, so this gets cancelled. 60 plus 42 is 102, so you are just left with 2 square. So log base 10 square, that makes it 2. So the answer is going to be 2. I'm sure आप कर लोगे इसको. Now last question of the day, and after that will be I'll be not giving you any assignment for the, I'll be not be giving you any additional assignment for this exercise. What you need to do is this 10-11 questions which we did today, that needs to be done in a step-by-step fashion. Okay, so let's do it, the last one. log base ax log base by equals log base ay plus log base bx. show that a equals b और x is equal to y. जैसा कि मैंने एक बार can you solve it सीरीज में भी एक क्वेश्चन दिया था, कुछ ऐसा ही था. Let's see how we are going to do it. So since you know this is log ax, so I'm going to write it as log x by log a plus log y by log b. I'll just take base 10, then log y by log a. Any base can be taken, but I just want to write, I don't want to write any base, so I just took 10. And then it can be written log x by log b. So if you see that, okay, I can take care of log a एक साथ ले आता हूँ, तो log x minus log y upon log a, और उधर आप ले जाओगे तो हो जाएगा log x minus log y upon log b. आप दोनों को एक तरफ ले जाओ तो दिस यू विल बी गेटिंग लाइक समथिंग लाइक log x minus log y into 1 by log a minus 1 by log b equals 0, क्योंकि मैंने राइट साइड ले गए सारे, राइट साइड में जो भी था उसको लेफ्ट साइड ले आया. सो दिस विल बिकम log x minus log y into log b minus log a upon log a into log b equals 0. Now this cannot be equal to 0, so you can so the only thing can become be 0 is this or this. So you can say log x equals log y or log b equals log a. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, x equals y. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, b equals a. Hence you have proved it. So we finished this problems on log. So this is like the second problem solving on logarithm. In chapter 6, which is going to be the next quantitative aptitude chapter, we'll be touching geometry now. We'll be taking some concepts from geometry and we'll see how we can handle geometry from the quantitative aptitude point of view. Okay, bachche log, I hope you are enjoying this session, I'm sure. And for class 10 students, we'll be coming up with your NTSE orientation, and we'll finish your linear equation and quadratic equation in one lecture. So don't worry about your CBSE syllabus. Things all are being taken care. And class 10 students, do take care of class 9 problem solving lectures. You have to watch those lectures as well, because that is very relevant for your NTSE exam and for your PRMO exams and for your foundational for class 11th. If you are looking for IITJ, and also do not miss class 9th problem solving sessions. Okay, bachche log, all the best. Bye bye, take care.